Alright guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm going to be solving this worked example. An object of mass 50 kg is placed on an inclined plane at 30 degrees to the horizontal. The height of the inclined plane is 250 centimeter and its length is 500 centimeter. What work is done in moving the object down the plane? So that's what we want to do. So what I've just read is what you can see in the diagram, which I've already done, so that we will not have to waste time. So to solve this one, we would know that work done is force times distance. That one is clear. Force times distance is work. So let me just move this particular diagram here. Okay, so the length is there. So now I know that work is equals to force times distance, but I know the distance, I don't know the force. So that's where we need to really start. So an object of mass 50 kg, so mass is equals to 50 kg. That one is settled. Then is placed in an inclined plane of 30 degrees, so we have a degree, that's an angle theta of 30 degrees to the horizontal. Noted. Now, the height of the inclined plane is 250. So that was the height of the inclined plane. Let's just call it h. Like I've written there, 250. Okay. So, and its length, that means the distance now. The distance of the mass that was placed now. Let's call it s. Now this one is in centimeter, right? But in this standard, if you notice when you are solving, I said your unit is very important. This is meter, right? So we have to convert this to meter so it can make sense all the same. So this 250 is basically, if you want to write that in meters, you can convert it when it's necessary. So the distance now is 500. 500, if you want to write that in meters, that will be 5, right? That's 5 meters. Okay, so G is 10. G is 10. So that one too is also settled. Now, what is the work done in moving the plane? So if I want to calculate force, remember that force basically is mg sine theta. Do you remember? Force is mg times theta. So once you can know that force is mg times theta, then I can fix in my values. So let's clear this particular place. So since I know that force is mg times theta, so force is equal to, what's my m? 50. Then g is 10. Then times sine of 30 degrees. Okay, so force is equal to, what would that be? 50 times 10, that's 500. Cos 30 is half, right? And that is 250. Sorry, that's 250. That's 250 Newton. So I've gotten my force to be 250 Newton. Very simple. And I've already also converted my distance here to be 5. So what would be my answer? Force, which is F, 250, distance 5. So what is our work done? Very simple, right? So my work done will now be 250 times 5, right? So 250 times 5 would be 1250 Newton meters. Okay, so yes, that's how to solve that particular problem. 1250 Newton meters. So thank you guys for joining, and yes, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Very important. We have mathematics related videos and we have some physics questions that we have solved. So do well to click on the subscribe button, and until then I will see you in the subsequent video. Bye for now.